Leadership is the ability to guide, influence, and inspire a group of people towards achieving a common goal. It involves setting a vision, making decisions, and motivating others to contribute to the success of an organization. Effective leadership required various skills such as communication, empathy, problem solving, and the ability to adapt to change circumstances. Leaders often serve as role models, demonstrating the values of behavior they expect from others. IT leadership is the group of senior executives in an organization who is in charge of the information technology, infrastructure, and application that enable and drive the organization's overall business strategy and goals. Leadership is an essential component of running a successful business. According to Landis, Hill, and Harvey, one of the most important factors in organizations such as leadership.
Okay, leadership theories. First, the trait theory. Proponents of trait theory believe that leaders possess qualities that were visible to those around them, and that person could become a great leader based on certain traits. So, trait theory are leaders are taught that to possess the inherent traits and qualities that naturally um, predispose them to lead effectively. These traits are visible to others and can be foundation of leadership success. Next is behavioral theory. Rejects the notion that leaders influence subordinates behavior and instead identifies the concept that leaders influence. So the word behavior for effectiveness is determined by a leader's action and behavior rather than any traits. This theory emphasizes that good leadership, good leadership can be learned and developed through specific behavior. Next is situational theory holds that a leader-based course of action is determined by variety situational. So situational is best leaders approach depending on the situation with no one size fit all style being effective in every context. Leaders most adapt their style to specific circumstance and needs of the team. Political theory that that the wealthy military, state, and church should rule by competing for the people's approval and recognizing the wants and needs. So political as competition among powerful groups such as the wealthy military and religious institutions who for the approval and support of the people. These groups gain maintain power by addressing the public's wants and needs. That's the political theory. Leader role. So according to leader role theory, situation and individuals combine interact to produce a group leader. So leader role is a result of interaction between individual characteristic and specific situation. The role of the leader emerges when these factors align to produce a person who guides the group. Next is exchange theory. Exchange theory, the leader gain status and exchange for goal accomplishment. So exchange, so exchange is gain status and influence through the successful accomplishment of goals that meet the needs of their group. The relationship between leaders and followers is transactional with recognition given and exchange for result. Next is communication theory. It's based on leadership gaining the cooperation of the group members. So communication is effective leadership is built on the ability to communicate and gain the cooperation of the group na mention na and group members leadership succeed by cleanly or clearly conveying ideals ideas and ensuring that everyone is aligned with the goals. That's the communication. The transformational theory, which the leader collaborate with subordinates. So transformational leaders inspire and motivate their team by working collaboration to achieve shared goals and theory, the importance of mutual respect and the leader's role and fostering a strong team spirit. Lastly, servant leadership theory. Based on the ancient philosophy, employs a shared power system. So servant theory is about serving by others and with leaders prioritizing well-being and develop of their followers approached by an idea of shared power and the belief that the best leaders are these who serve their team. Ethical dilemmas in IT leadership. Micromanaging is caused by leaders who believe they most control aspect of a project or department. So micromanaging when the leader feels like need to oversee and control every detail of a project or development or design often do to lack of trust their team's abilities or a desire to ensure that everything meets their standard or their personal standard. This behavior can cause misleading uh, to reduce a moral and productivity among the team members. Loan here is when manager decides to do everything themselves because they cannot trust their employees to do the job. This can lead to burnout for the manager because they believe they are expected to perform every function. So, pinaka-lesson nito is that trust and delegation are essential for effective leadership by trying to do everything themselves. As a manager, not only risk burnout but also their team's growth and potential instead leaders should focus on empower their employees, tasking them to handle responsibilities and recognizing that collaborative efforts leads to better outcome and healthier work environment for everyone.
Reactionary leaders are those who wait for an issue to occur before acting remedy. Reactionary leaders prefer to wait for people to come then for a solution. From the word react itself, means to act when something or issue has been occurred. Long-distance managers, those who do not interact with their employees. These are the managers who use internet to talk with their employees. This builds trust and loyalty between a manager and an employee. Current ethical issues in information technology. Breach of contract. When one party fails to meet the agreed upon terms. These are the moments when one party has not agreed. This is usually C in business. Second are telework. An organization allows employees to perform their job duties from home. This is a work from home intentional use when bad weather or like epidemic or pandemic. Fraud. When the employees have too much access or roles are not clearly defined. Code of ethics. A statement that identifies the principles and values that are important to organization.
My name is Francis G. Galapon. I explain to you the 4 ethical dilemmas of leadership in information technology. We have number 1, IT leadership rules. Because information technology is improving and evolving such a rapid pace. Number 2, knowledge seeker. Change like the weather is unavoidable and when it does, you must adapt. Number 3, strong leader. Being knowledgeable about infrastructure, technical aspect, only half of the equation. And last, number 4, information manager. Every new technology and innovation introduces new data elements that must be tracked and managed. What skills constitute good leadership? Number 1, networking skills. Being a good leadership, you have good communication skills. It doesn't matter kung magaling ka mag-English. Nagmamatter dito is paano mo sila mako-convince. For example, you have a business. So, kailangan mo makapag-negotiate sa tao na yon para mag-invest siya sa business mo. So, it's about how you convince. Number 2, programming and application development skills. So, being isang good leadership, kailangan mo din matuto ng mga programming language like Python, Java, and C++. And kailangan mo din dito matutunan kung paano mag-develop ng application. Being good leadership kasi magagamit mo ito. So, number 3, management and interpersonal skills. So, sa management skills, you have to manage your time. For example, you have a plan. Magpuput ka ng business sa place na ito. Kailangan mo siyang pag-isipan. Okay? Sa interpersonal skills naman, kailangan mo makipag-talk sa mga tao, makisalamuha para mas makilala ka kung sino ka ba as a business or leadership. And lastly, mobile application and device management skills. So being a good leadership, you have a mobile application device. Kailangan marunong ka rin gumamit ng mobile application like kahit anong apps. Kailangan mo din matutunan yung mga basic skills sa application na ito. Magagamit mo ito as a good leadership. And yun lang. Thank you.